How are you guys doing today? Today I'm gonna cook some pork ribs. I'm gonna do barbecue pork ribs. Okay, got two big rocks in here. They are very nice and neat. So now I have to take this out. I have to take this thing out because this makes so this should come out. There you go. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Sometimes this you can get all this out all at once. There you go. That makes more tender if you take that one out. There you go. This is good. This one now. Do the same thing. Yeah, over here. Sometimes this thing gives you a hard time. Lots of times this is easy. There you go. Yeah, just hi Charlie. Hey, you okay, Charlie? Good. That's it. It's done. So now what I gotta do. So now just gonna rinse some cold water. Yeah, just need the cold water. Got a tin foil here, it's nice and clean. What we gotta do, we gotta wash my hands first. So, I got some sea salt, I got some lemon juice, sea salt, lemon juice, I got some pepper, and I got some garlic, and I got some paprika. That's all I need for this recipe. Okay, so I start with some lemon juice. Just put some lemon juice in this. Put some little bit of sea salt. Okay. Then put a little bit of garlic and a little bit of paprika. That's it. Just rub a little bit like this. Rub it. We'll just put some pepper. I should go this way. Yeah. Like this. Make sure you just rub it in. Okay. Turn it over. Look at that. Back to the same thing. Use nice sea salt because sea salt is good in the ribs. Make sure you do it like that. So just put it again. Paprika. Pepper. And a little bit of. Make sure you go like this. So now, there you go. This is done. So try close it up like that to the ends. Yeah, I think I have to put a second one because it's not enough. So what I do, I'm gonna double wrap. I'm gonna double wrap this. Maybe this way. This way it's fine. Double wrap. this. Like this. See? And that's it. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge for at least a couple hours. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for a couple hours, and then I'm just in the barbecue for about half an hour, 45 minutes. Okay guys, after 2 hours I'm ready my pork side ribs. Let me check. So how it is. So they smell amazing. I got nice 2 big racks pork side ribs. Beautiful ribs. So I'm gonna put this on barbecue right now. I'm gonna be there for probably about 45 minutes. Okay? Come on. Come on, Charlie. Let's go. Put this in the barbecue. It's getting dark now, look. 5 o'clock is getting dark. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap this like that. And close the lid, put this low. Yeah, just put this low and leave like that for an hour. And an hour later, we see how this is gonna look like. See you guys. Okay guys, let's go and check the ribs. They've been barbecue for almost 1 hour, so they should. Oh, it smells delicious in here. Wow, look at that. Let me just check it out. It's so dark outside now. Oh, okay. Can just hold up. So let's see. I have to take this out. Let's see. Like that. See how they look. The meat coming out of that bone. I need to take this out. Get this back, and I have to like this. Look at that. So now I got one more. Wow, look at that. Look at the bone. Oh my god, the bone's coming out. Oh my god. Man, this is gonna be. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That looks delicious. So this will be done probably about 10 minutes. So now I'm gonna brush this with some barbecue sauce. All you guys just gotta do is just choose your your best barbecue sauce you want to use. I like this one. This is a nice, good one. It's like a smoky barbecue sauce. So that's a good one. I like this one. So I got it here probably half a bottle. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dump them all. You just use whatever you like. What kind of barbecue you like this, okay? What I gotta do now, I'm just gonna baste my my ribs, and we'll be done in 5 minutes. Okay, let's just do some brushing in here, guys. Look how delicious it look. Look. So beautiful. That's it, guys. Look at that. Don't be afraid to put some lot of barbecue sauce. Tasty. Lots of meat in here. Alright, so only 5 minutes. I turn around, brush it again, done.
So now I'm going to make a bean salad. Have here a chickpeas, a can of chickpeas and black beans, and I got some parsley, spring onions, and I got red onions, and of course the lemon, a slice of lemon.
Okay, and let's check the ribs. Oh my God, they're done. Look at that. Now, see. Let's go see how this barbecue turned out. Let's go check it out. Oh, the meat just falls off the bone. Look and see. Oh, look at that. Look at the bone. Look at this, guys. I need a fork. Look, guys. Look at. Look. Looks nice, very and tender. Let me just try that piece. Look at that. Ah, look at this. So yummy. Very good. So tasty.
Eat, everyone. Look at that.
Look at that. We got some chickpea salad in here with beans. Beautiful, healthy salad in here. Nice.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, we got
salad.
Nice broccoli here. Look at that. Just like that. There you go. Beautiful plate. So what I do with this plate, I give it to my wife and I take her plate.
Aw, that's so sweet.
You want to taste first?
Wow, look at this color.
Yeah.
Let me taste the beans first. I like the salad.
Yeah.
And the most exciting, the best ribs ever. Nice and tender.
Yeah.
Look at this juicy, very juicy.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Good?
You did a good job, Han.
I pass?
The best. You pass.
Okay guys, so now I'm making my plate. Because I made my wife a plate. So I have to make my plate. And get some broccoli. There you go. And guys, I just need a fork and knife. And let's go try this, okay? Let's go. Bon appetit! Oh, delicious. Okay, then I got some beer in here. Okay guys, thanks guys for watching this little video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And see you guys next time. Bye for now.
Charlie likes the ribs too.
Give me.